Good morning, dear students. Welcome to English virtual class. First of all, I wish you all the best for the starting of your term 2. And this poem, Just Be Up and Doing, is the most abrupt, most suitable poem for the starting of a new term. This poem is also suitable as we all are suffering due to this pandemic, and this is the most challenging time for the studies as teachers students are maintaining social distancing, but students are trying their best to learn as they were learning before in their schools. So without taking much of your time, let me start the explanation of the poem. First of all, we will do the recitation of the first stanza. Just be up and doing. Sure, there's lots of trouble. Sure, there is heaps of cares, burdens that bend us double, worries that come to wear. But we must keep pursuing something and see it through. Still to be up and doing is all that there's to do. So, as the name is indicating, just be up, just remain active and keep on doing. We are not supposed to stop in any situation, in any problem. We just keep on doing. If we want to attain our destination, if we want to reach our destination, अगर हम अपने गोल अचीव करना चाहते हैं तो वी आर नॉट सपोज टू गिव अप. तो हमें उसके लिए क्या करना है? जस्ट बी अप, एक्टिव रहना है एंड डूइंग, और करते रहना है अपनी एफर्ट्स. सो sure there are lots of trouble. So poet is describing the lives of all people, कि हम सब लोगों की लाइफ क्या होती है. Sure there are lots of troubles. Trouble means problems. We all people have a lot of troubles in our life. Sure there are heaps of care. And sure there are a lot of things to be taken care of. बहुत सारी चीज़ें जिनकी हमें केयर करनी पड़ती है. Burdens mean responsibilities that bend us double, जो हमें झुका देते हैं, हमें बेंड कर देते हैं. Worries that come to wear. Worries हैं, बहुत सारी टेंशन्स हैं जिससे हम wear हो जाते हैं. But we must keep pursuing. Pursuing mean continuing. Pursuing is a word that mean continuing. But we must keep pursuing. लेकिन हमने pursue करते रहना है, हमने continue रहना है अपनी efforts में. Sometime and see it through. Still to be up and doing. हमें हमेशा ही up रहना है and we must keep on doing is all that there's to do. यही एक like this is a magical phrase कि यही हमने करते रहना if we want to get success in our lives. So let we move towards next stanza. Though you would like to idle. Idle mean to sit free. Free रहना. Spend time doing nothing. Though you would like to idle. Everybody likes to stay idle. Wait for the world to right. And we all want that this world will be right at its own, कि अपने आप सब कुछ सही हो जाएगा, अपने आप सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा. And we just want to sit idle. फ्री बैठना चाहते हैं हम. कीप योर हैंड ऑन द ब्राइडल. ब्राइडल इज अ वर्ड दैट मीन्स bridle is an instrument. We can say the hand gear to control the horse. एक horse को कंट्रोल करने के लिए जो उसके ऊपर वो रस्सियाँ बांधी हुई होती हैं, ropes बांधी हुई होती है, that is called bridle. So we can say the hand gear to control a horse. We all want to keep our hand on the bridle. Here, horse is assimilated with the life. जैसे एक हॉर्स को कंट्रोल करने के लिए ब्राइडल हम अपने हाथ में रखते हैं, जस्ट इन द सेम वे वी ऑल पीपल वांट टू कंट्रोल आवर लाइफ. फाइट व्हेन यू हैव टू फाइट, बट वी शुड डू एफर्ट्स. जब हमें फाइट क्वर्लिंग वाली नहीं फाइट करनी, एक दूसरे को मारने वाली फाइट नहीं. मीन्स के फाइट फॉर द रॉन्ग लिमिट्स एंड फाइट फॉर द राइट वंस. क्या गलत है क्या सही है उसके लिए फाइट करनी. Women are won by wooing. Wooing means to seek affection or love. Just women, what do they want? They want just affection and love. जैसे women की need होती है, they can be won by wooing, by affection, by love. प्यार से lady को won किया जा सकता है. Fortune is one the same. Fortune mean our luck. We can won our fortune in the same way. And to be up and doing is all there is to the game. And in this game one thing is important. What is that one thing? To be up and doing. This is the most important thing, that we are not supposed to tired, we are not supposed to give up, we just be up and doing all the time. Few ever fail by trying. Okay, one more thing is noteworthy here, that it is not sure that if we will try we'll surely get success. कि अगर हम ट्राई करेंगे तो it's sure that we will get the success. Sometimes it happens that few ever fail by trying. Sometimes it happens that we try for something and we remain failure. Few ever win who wait. And in some cases we don't do any effort. हम कोई भी कोशिश नहीं करते लेकिन हम जीत जाते हैं. Sometimes it happen. Opposite things होती हैं. हम ट्राई करते हैं लेकिन हम नहीं पा सकते उस चीज़ को. कई बार हम ट्राई नहीं करते लेकिन वो चीज़ हमें ईजिली मिल जाती है. बट ऑल ऑफ योर सिटिंग एंड साइंग. अगर आप हार गए और आप वहाँ पे बैठ गए, ऑल ऑफ योर सिटिंग एंड साइंग. साइंग मीन टू ब्रीथ डीपली टू एक्सप्रेस द सैडनेस. कई बार हम लंबे लंबे सांस लेते हैं टू एक्सप्रेस सैडनेस. तो कैन वी गेट एनी थिंग बाई सिटिंग एंड साइंग? क्या हमें कुछ मिल सकता है? नेवर विल कनकर फेट. कनकर मीन टू विन. By sitting and by sighing we can never conquer fate. Whatever path you are hewing mean making, whatever path you are making. Here the poet is telling us about the different paths. Sitting and sighing, just up and doing. इन दोनों में से आप जो भी पाथ चूज कर रहे हो आपको रिजल्ट्स वैसे ही मिलेंगे. वन थिंग इज सर्टेन सन, either be up or doing, or soon you will be down and done. If you are up and doing you will surely get success, but if you are down you will be done. Done means finished. So I hope you all of you have got the theme of this poem. The poet is just wanted to tell that we must keep on trying to attain success. We must keep on putting our efforts. हमें कोशिश करते रहना लाइफ में, कभी भी बैठना नहीं. बाय डूइंग एंड बाय जस्ट बी अप एंड डूइंग, बाय दिस बाय इम्प्लीमेंटिंग these words in our real life we can attain the success. Otherwise we will be down and done. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.